In this video, I will share what to do if you hate selling and want to make money. It's a beginner simple online business where you can have $120 days even if you've never done anything like this before. So if you hate sales, stick with me till the end. This video is for you. Hi, I'm Joe Barkley. I hate sales. I hate being sold, but it doesn't matter. I found a way to make money online without selling. I've been doing it full-time for over 20 years. Anyone can copy what I do. And before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you have not done so yet, please be sure to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell too. I post multiple new videos every week. I'm sure you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comment section, please let me know how you got value out of this video. And if you have any questions, leave them there too. I do read and respond to all of them. What I want to share really is not just about making money, it's about creating time freedom too. I'm able to ski most days in the winter, and I'm able to sail most days in the summer, thanks to what I do online, again, without doing any selling. It may be the fastest and easiest way yet to create an amazing income. I've teamed up with a terrific company. They promote 4 high-demand digital products that people are already looking for. These products are priced really right. No selling is necessary. They are marketed via the affiliate marketing business model. That just means you get paid for everyone you refer to them that picks up one or more of those products. And you get paid very well. You get 80% of the price of the product just for referring the new customer. That's it. And on 3 of the products, you get passive or recurring income too. That's money that can keep coming in month after month for the referrals that you make each day. And this is so simple to do. Many new people make money their very first day. $120 days are doable. You will have your own complete online marketing system to automate most of the process. It starts with your own one-page website called a landing page or lead capture page. They have ready-to-go pages you can quickly and easily customize for your own look. You do not have to create anything. This web page is what you promote using the free marketing strategies they teach. People go to the page and request more information. They get added to your email list. In the description, I have a link to the program I use for my email list. It's called an autoresponder. You can get it for free. I will give you a library of emails to put in your autoresponder to be sent out automatically to those who have asked for more information. Again, you do not need to create anything. These emails you send out on autopilot direct those folks to another website you get that explains the 4 products and helps people pick them up. Again, no sales necessary. This business only takes a few hours a week. And because it's all online and mostly automated, you can put that time in whenever it's convenient for you, even if it's 3 in the morning. I actually do this while I'm out sailing. When you have a few minutes to spare, you use one of the free traffic methods that they teach you to get people to your website. The system takes it from there. It's that simple. We have the best training in the home business industry. Our online training website has dozens of how-to videos on literally everything you need to know. We do daily live training calls on Zoom, and we have a great Facebook group where we share ideas with each other and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. Plus, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. Making money online is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. So to learn more and start making money today without selling anything, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.